So in my last video, which I highly recommend you watch, I covered this board with solder paste and lit it on fire. So the next step is to apply some 91% soldering fluid to the board and gently set it on fire. And I touched this with a soldering iron just to see if it would connect. But the reason why I put the fire out early is because the flame actually started to come around the bottom and I didn't want to melt the LEDs. But the fact remains, I still want to know if I can solder this by lighting it on fire. So I may have to touch up the solder paste a little bit because it looks like it's kind of shrunk back, but I'm going to light it on fire once more. And then if that doesn't work, I might add a little bit more solder paste and light it on fire again. So the quick answer is no, you cannot solder by lighting the board on fire. At least I couldn't. Now, when you light the board on fire, it does shrink back the solder paste. And you can see here where it kind of climbs up and does a little bit of tinning of the wire. But the fire is so hot that it just doesn't burn long enough to make a good connection. So I don't think we have a single connection here that's actually stuck, except for the one that I hand soldered over here. So while it's a fun trick to do in the videos, I don't think it's possible in real life. If you can do it, feel free to make a video and, call me out on it and show me how you solder with fire. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for watching.